Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Whitaker and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit a variety of different photos using my Red Letter Days preset pack. My Red Letter Days preset pack is currently on sale in honor of my favorite holiday, the cutest holiday, Valentine's Day. You can use the code LOVELETTER at checkout to enjoy 20% off of the entire pack. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this little YouTube video how to edit using all four presets. There's 3 color, 1 black and white, and they're very, very easy to use. The link will be in the description box below, as well as in a pinned comment to purchase the preset pack. The code will expire on February 15th, 2018. Okay, so we're gonna get started. This photo I'm going to be editing with my Friday preset. My Friday is the best seller and it's actually my favorite one. It adds a nice rosy hue to images, and this is taken in all natural lighting. We're in the shade, but we do have some light reflecting from the windows in front of us. So I just go into the pack and I pop Friday on there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is kind of pull the blacks up slightly. And then I might bring the temperature down a little bit just because my skin tone kind of blends in a little bit with the rail in it, or the brownstone, or in this case the pink stone. And so I'm going to bring the temperature down slightly. Beautiful. And then that's all that I'm going to be doing for editing this photo. As you guys can see, the before and after here on the screen, it just adds a really subtle rosy hue, and it was almost one click. Okay, next up is this photo. This is super, super cute. It's a natural light photo. We're just using the windows in their bedroom and the overhead light is off. It actually was pretty dark, and so I had to bring my ISO up quite a bit. I'm going to be editing this image using the Sunday preset from the pack. I pop Sunday on there. Look at how cute their little dog is. I'm going to pull the blacks up a little bit. Pull the exposure up a little bit as well. And then I'm going to warm it up slightly. Perfect. I think I'm going to bring the shadows up a little bit. There we go. Amazing. And I really like Sunday because it adds a nice blue hue to it. I'll show you guys the before and after on the screen here. Next up is going to be another photo from the same set using the Sunday preset. This one I have them in way more natural light. They're right next to a window. I'm just going to pop Sunday on there. As you can see, it makes the photo slightly darker. So for this in particular, I'm just going to pull the blacks up a little bit. Beautiful. A little bit more. Highlights down. Maybe bring the exposure slightly up. There we go. Beautiful. And what I would just do is copy and paste the tweaking of the preset onto the rest of the images in this particular set. Next up, I'm going to show you guys how I edit using the Saturday preset. So this is another photo of myself. So I'm going to pop Saturday on here. And automatically gives me more of like an edgy vibe and overall feel for the image. This preset is the second bestseller, so Friday's the first, Saturday's the second, and it looks especially great for fashion bloggers because it has a little bit more of this orange in it. And it's super easy. I'm literally going to show you guys just the copy and the pasting. So then I pop on over to this full outfit shot. Again, perfect for bloggers and photographers. This would even look great on the images that I just edited of the couple. There we have it. So here is the before and after of both of these images. And just to show you guys how versatile this Saturday preset is, the whole pack, but particularly the Saturday one, is here's Sunday on this couple image, and I'm going to pop Saturday on for a completely different vibe. This one's a little bit warmer. I just pulled the blacks up and we have a warmer take on it. Now, if I wanted to take it one step further, you guys, I would pop Friday on for a completely different vibe, and I actually love this. It's really unique. This is just such a unique preset. You know what? Let's pop Monday. So Monday is the black and white preset. I was actually going to save it for last, but let's pop Monday on there. Again, bring the blacks up slightly. And let's do a little before and after using this image with all of the presets. So it's kind of, this pack is so versatile and it's great for wedding photographers, portrait photography, fashion bloggers. So let's pop on over to this cutie shot and I'm going to show you guys what Monday looks like on here. Pop Monday on there, super cute and timeless. This is a super moody, more vintage feel. I'm going to bring the blacks up. Very, very easy. And just for fun, let's go over here to this shot. And I'm going to show you guys Friday on here. And I love pairing Friday with pink colors. I just think it looks so great. So, so pretty. Let's also pop Saturday on here, just so you guys can see how versatile this preset is. So there you guys have it. That is my tutorial using the Red Letter Days preset pack, and I wanted just to remind you again that you can get 20% off of the pack. So it's originally $60, but with the 20% off discount, it's $48. Using the code LOVELETTER at checkout, all of the information that you could need on this sale is going to be linked down below, as well as more videos of me editing with this pack. I think that this is a fantastic starter. Link is all in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.